Hello. We're going to try something else. I was going to try to make buttermilk bread, but my buttermilk was not good. And I just bought that, so I'm not very happy. Fresh thyme. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I'm going to make in my bread machine. It is called, if I can find it here, Soft Garlic Bread Machine Breadsticks. And I'll tag the link at the bottom of my video in the thing, so you can see how to make it. But it looks all right. It says I need 1 cup of water. It says lukewarm. Let me run it a bit. My daughter got me these wonderful measuring cups. I love them. I've never had any so nice. So it says basically just dump everything into the bread machine, and we're just going to run the dough cycle because we're going to actually roll them out and cook them in the oven, which I think will be really good for like spaghetti or something tonight. So I don't know what I'm making for dinner yet, but we're going to start off with this. So we put 1 cup of lukewarm water in there. I've already got my little flipper in there. It says 2 tablespoons of milk. I don't have any milk, so we're just going to go with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to add 2 more tablespoons of water because, where did I put my tablespoon? It's right here. Because I don't have any milk, so I want the water to be the same. Probably won't taste as good, but it is what it is. Sometimes you just have to make do in life. Patrick wants up here, but he cannot get up here. And then I need 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This also is new for my daughter, which I love very much. Jessica, thank you. I love this olive oil. I like to buy it in bulk because I use it all the time. When I first bought this, I thought, oh, I'll never use it. But I am using it. So that's the good thing. It makes me happy. And then it says 1 1/4 teaspoons table salt. 1 1/4. You know what? I don't know if I even have any measuring salt I can measure. So I'll just put some in. Because I know you need salt in recipes. And these are big chunks, so this should be fine. There's my salt. My phone keeps closing. And then 1 tablespoon granulated sugar. I do have sugar here. Surprisingly enough, I actually have an ingredient. Story of my life. Okay, let me rinse this out. Okay. 1 tablespoon of sugar. There we go. 3 cups bread flour and 2 teaspoons instant yeast. Okay. I measured out my bread flour. 3 cups. Now this is bread. This is flour that I got from the Amish market. It's high gluten. It's called Sir Lancelot high gluten flour. This is great for baking anything bread wise because with all the gluten in it, it does raise very well. So that's why I use this type of flour. And then it says 2 teaspoons instant yeast. I do have, let me find my teaspoon. Half a tablespoon, there's my teaspoon. I do have bread machine yeast, which is really good in the bread machine. I like to use this. So, and it smells like yeast. I love yeast. It is yeast, but 2 teaspoons of this. I'll put that in there. And then those are all the ingredients. And then all I need to do, let's see, place ingredients in order listed into bread machine pan. Save back a quarter of the cup of water. Whoops, I didn't do that. Oh well, I guess we'll see how it turns out then. And I added 2 more tablespoons, so that's great. Check the dough.
Select the dough cycle. So we need to go to the dough.
You can see that here, the dough cycle right there. And then hit start. So this will run for an hour and a half. And then when it gets done, I roll it out and make breadsticks, which I think should be really good. Something fun to do. This is what it looks like while it's cooking, or while it's kneading the dough, getting everything mixed up. I'm going to check back in about 20 minutes and make sure it's all in one ball. If not, I'll scrape the sides and get it into it so it's all in one ball. But that's what I have so far. And then when we get ready to take it out, I will be back.